Hello friends, welcome to another Gimp tutorial. In this lesson, I'm going to demonstrate how to create double exposure effects using Gimp. If you don't know, double exposure is a combination of two different exposures in one picture to produce evocative result. My name is Mudassir Hussain and welcome to my channel Living Image. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I publish weekly tutorials on photography, editing and tech. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, I have already imported an image. First, we have to select the background of this image. We can use different selection tool to do that. But I am using fuzzy selection tool for this image. After activating the fuzzy select tool, just click on the area you want to select. Now right click and from the select menu choose the selection editor. As you can see, the selected area is showing here. We go to select menu and then click on invert to select the background area. Now we click on the little icon here to convert the selection as path. Go to the path menu. As you can see, we have got a new path here. Return to the layers menu and deselect everything by going to select menu. Right, we rename the layer and duplicate it. Now we import the second image to blend the exposure. Similarly, we rename the second image. We decrease the opacity of the first layer to see the position of the second layer. We position the background picture properly since we don't want the tower position exactly in the center. Duplicate the background and change the order. We place it under the picture too. Now we return to the first layer and go to the path menu. From there, click on path to selection icon. Return to the layer menu and select the first layer. Right click on the layer. From there, add layer mask. Please make sure selection is selected as layer mask and then hit add. Similarly, we add layer mask to the bottom layers but would keep the last background layer as it is. Okay, we have got the layer masks. Select the first layer and go to the mode. From there, change the mode into overlay, screen, multiply or any other effects, whatever you like. Okay, now we go to the second layer and select the mask. Now we grab the soft brush from paintbrush tool. You can adjust the brush size and everything according to your preference. Please make sure that the background color is selected as white and foreground color is black when you paint it. Now we paint here to reveal the face. We can take time to do that. Now we go to the first layer and select the mask. Similarly, we remove the bottom part of the first image to get a blended look. If you want to adjust the light and shadows of the images, you always can go to Curve and Level under the Color menu. If you want to erase any part of the face, just change the background color to black and foreground color to white and paint it over the area you want to remove. Friends, this is how you simply can create double exposure effect in Gimp. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.